Hi, Bob. Hi, guys. Hi, queens. Hi, lovers. Have you been that curious to want to know what it feels like to use crochet kinky hair? Like to make box braids? If you have, stay with me. Stay with me. If you have, then this video is for you. Like, it is for you, made specially for you. I feel like this is too tiny, so I'm going to add it. So if you don't know how to make individual box braid, you can watch the tutorial right here and learn how to do it yourself. Thank you. You know what I feel I'm going to like the price because I won't worry about my hair sticking out at all. This feels like I'm just elongating the length of my natural hair. So when you get to a part towards the tip of the extension, now start twisting it like you would your natural hair. So I'm going to show you guys the back, then I will do the middle offline because I don't want this video to be too long. Then I'll come back to show you guys how we finish up the front. They don't know what's going on. Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa, baby girl. Running to you. I'll be running to you. Running to you. Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa, my baby girl. See how you feel me right? Yeah. Oh, you tried to make me run. So once you've braided to your desired satisfaction, you can braid 6 times. Start adding in your extension. So braid a bit, add another extension. That's how you turn, girl. 360 for you, girl. The thing people in me, I call you know. You got some people in me, girl. So, love me, feel you. you get to the end, as usual, just twist it. So at the end of the day, just twist it. So braid a little, then start braiding your braid. Place it on index finger. Braid a little. Braid it again. Pull my bunches. Like this three. One is coming to the middle, one is going to the middle, middle, bring it out, middle, middle, bring it out, middle. So you're taking this by your right hand side. Like say you have left, middle, and right here. So the one by your right hand side is going to the middle. Then the one in the middle will come to the right. The one by the left will go to the middle. And repeat. Believe me when I say that using kinky hair, it's going to change the trajectory of your hair history. Your braiding history, it will change it completely. I swear to God, this is lightweight. It doesn't feel like I have extensions on my hair. The only reason why I feel like I have extensions on my hair is because I have short hair and I can feel it on the nape of my neck. Aside that, this is perfect. Lightweight, tension free. Come on. Satisfied. Feels like I'm having. This is the back. Like when I said, my lines are clips. and I love it. I hope you like it too. I appreciate you for coming down here to trust the process, watching this tutorial from beginning to the end. I love you. Thanks for always watching. Have a blessed day and enjoy your weekend. Whatever time you're seeing this video. Ciao.